Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll through this page and find the watch faces category. My bad, let's go back. Come on, let's go back to the device page. Okay, find the watch faces category, and once you find it, you can tap on the more button to open the whole watch face store. If you don't see this category right here, it could be because when you install the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. For example, I selected the United Kingdom and it works, so you could try to reinstall the app, select different region, and maybe it will solve your problem. And once you see the watch faces, tap on more. And then, as you can see, we have the list of watch faces. Basically, we have a store, and some of them you need to pay for, some of them are free. I'm gonna select the free category. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna select free category. And now I'm gonna scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face I like to use on my watch, and once you find the watch face, you can tap on it to select it, and then tap on the install button to download and install it. And once it's done installing, you will see that the watch face will be applied on your watch. You can also go back to the list of watch faces, and you don't need to tap on the watch face to install it. You can also tap on the install button under the watch face to start installing it, as you can see. And once it's done installing, of course, it's gonna be applied on your watch. You can also check the list of watch faces you installed by going back to the watch face store, and here you can tap on mine, and it's gonna open the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and here we have it. And as you can see, we have the watch faces we installed before. We have the Quad and Blue Smart, and you can tap on them to change between them, or you can also remove them if you want to, if you don't want to have them on your watch anymore. And to remove the watch face, you can tap on it and tap on the bin icon and tap on OK, or you can go back, tap on edit right here, and then tap on the X on the watch face to remove it, like that. And then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.